This next question is literally a hot potato. One of our viewers wants to know what my impression is of GMOs. GMOs stand for genetically modified organisms. And if you listen to the media, you would think that anything involved with GMO is creating frankenfood. So it's kind of scary. Proposition 37 popularized it recently, and what they were aiming to do was for full transparency, so that if whatever you were purchasing was made with seeds that were genetically modified, that it be listed. So I certainly see no objection to full transparency, but I think there's a bit of a misunderstanding about the wrongfulness or the dangers associated with GMOs. GMOs are not all bad. We wouldn't have broccoli or pink grapefruit or navel oranges if we didn't have crossbreeding. So essentially what happens is through over thousands of years in agriculture, we have been crossbreeding. I think the concern is when there's manipulation of the gene combinations and it's from different species. So surely there's concern, but yet we go to any nursery, and if you see anything that says hybrid, that means it's taken the best of two mother plants and bred them together. So there's certainly benefits. We have benefited from years and years of this crossbreeding. We wouldn't have whole grains without it either. So I don't think there's reason to be concerned. I think it's progress. I think it certainly makes good sense to have that information available to consumers so that you make your own personal choice. But you really need to be educated, and you need to understand we can't feed the world without this kind of technology, because what GMOs have enabled us to do is increase crop yield, so that it increases the yield, it reduces the use of chemical pesticides, it can lower costs, it can foster tolerance for things like drought, heat, or frost. So there certainly are positive sides to it. I'm sure the concerns are there as well. And for consumers, the more we know, then the better the decision we can make that's good for us.